Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing two Playtec Mighty Machines. We have the construction crane and the dump truck. Both of these are radio controlled. Wow, this looks like it's going to be lots of fun. You can drive front and back, left and right steering, and you can control up to 15 feet. The crane lights up. You can spin the wheel to move the crane up and down. The crane can turn 270 degrees. The dump truck lights up. Push in the button to dump the dump bed. The headlights will light up as you drive. Let's open up these mighty machines and go to the job site. Wow, what a really neat remote control! There's all sorts of mighty machines on the backdrop of this box. You can raise and lower the hook using this wheel. The boom also extends. We can raise and lower the boom using these hydraulics. It can also turn around. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Wow, the lights have turned on. You can also turn to the left or to the right. Here's the dump truck. You can see it has lights at the top, and look at those horns. I love all the different parts. Push the button and raise the bed of the truck. Now we can open it and release the contents. Push it back down to hold it in place. Let's turn on our vehicle. And it's ready to go. You can go backwards and forwards. And you can turn the wheels left and right. Wow, that's super fun! The headlights work as you go forwards. We can control both mighty machines using one remote control. Let's check out this mighty machine on the job. Wow, he's got a whole bed full of asphalt. It's time to dump it and smooth it out. Here comes the steamroller. Wow, he's working so hard. Oh no! Our steamroller had an accident. We need a crane to right him. Our crane is in position. Okay, time to raise him up. Yay, we did it! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.